Are you ready to turn your music playlist into a cash generator? Stay tuned to learn how to transform your favorite beats into money makers. Picture this. You can earn $6 with just one song, double that to $12 for 2 songs, and even go as high as $120 for 22 fantastic tracks while you enjoy the music you love. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Now, the first step is to open your web browser and type jamendo.com into the search bar. This is the website we'll be using and you'll recognize its icon. Just click on the first link to access the site. Once you're on the website's homepage, you'll find a vast collection of copyright-free music tracks across various genres for your listening pleasure. In a moment, I'll show you how to listen to these tracks and earn money while doing so. Just click on the box labeled Start. To maximize your earnings, you'll want to create a free account first. Click where it says Login and then proceed by clicking Sign Up down here. You'll have the option to sign up with an email and password or a username, password, and email address. I've personally made $21 and the possibilities are endless. So once you've registered and logged in, your account will display your name and profile image. If you scroll down, you'll see some trending music tracks recommended by the website. However, for earning purposes, focus on the songs at the top of the page. Next, click More to access the full list of songs on the website. You can also download their mobile app if you prefer. But since this method works worldwide, you can follow along regardless of your location. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through the steps. Now here's a tip. Choose a genre that interests you by hovering over all genres. I recommend going for the pop genre, which tends to offer better earning opportunities. You'll find a plethora of pop music tracks, so go ahead and select it. Keep the location option set to all countries and leave the other one as is. A quick Google search will confirm that pop music is currently popular worldwide. Each of these songs can earn you around $6 when played repeatedly. So all you have to do is listen to a few of these songs and download them. I'll make it super easy for you, even if you're new to making money online. I'll explain the process shortly, but first, download some good songs. Scroll down to see the extensive list of songs, but we'll focus on listening to and downloading the best ones. Let's try the first song here. To start listening, click the play button. You don't have to listen to the entire song. If you like it, download it by clicking the download icon on this page, choose the free download option, and the download will start. It's important to pick songs you genuinely enjoy rather than selecting them randomly. In my case, I like this one, so I downloaded it to demonstrate how to make money with it. You can do the same. If for any reason you don't like a song, simply try another one until you find one you enjoy. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Let me know which country you're from. Also, download as many songs as you can because the more you download, the more money you can make. Now let's get back to the video. Now, before we move on to the next step, visit the website 3upload.com. This is where we'll monetize our music. Pay close attention to do this correctly. As you can see, I've earned over $800 with this method and am on track to reach $1,000 soon. Just follow along with me. Let's go to the homepage to understand how this website operates. It pays us for sharing our music files. As it says here, upload and share to make money. You can upload various types of content, including images, videos, songs, and get paid for it. In this case, we'll focus on music. Now, Enable already has a song downloaded from Jamendo, so we'll use that. The best part is that this website is entirely free. You won't need to spend a dime. After uploading your song here, they'll provide you with a link. All you have to do is get people to click on that link to download and listen to the song. After they do that, you'll earn $6. I'll show you exactly how to do this and how to get hundreds of people to click your link without spending any money. Plus, you don't need a large social media following. As you can see here, You'll earn $7 for downloads from Tier 1 countries like the United States, Canada, and Brazil. You'll receive $6 for Tier 2 countries and $5 for Tier 3 countries. If you scroll down, you'll find various payment options including Bitcoin. The great news is that you can start withdrawing money on your first day via PayPal, Perfect Money, Payoneer, and more. You can also make extra money through referrals, but we'll cover that in another video. For now, let me provide a practical example of how to earn money with your music track on this website. To begin, you'll need to sign up. So let me log out of my account to demonstrate. It's a straightforward process. Just click Sign Up, provide your details, including a username, email address, and password, and select PayPal as your payment method. If you don't have a PayPal account, sign up for one for free. After verifying that you're not a robot and submitting your form, you can log in. As for me, I already have this song downloaded from Jamendo. Make sure you have yours ready too. Now, there are various upload options, but we're only interested in this one. Select it and click the blue box that says Browse Files. Choose the song you want to upload. In my case, it's this one. Once you click Start Upload, you'll see it begin uploading. The speed of the upload depends on your internet connection. Now that it's uploaded, here's a link. Simply copy this URL and share it with others for them to download the song. After they do, you get paid. However, don't expect to make a fortune with a single song. The last step in our video is how to drive traffic and get people to download songs from your link, and it's quite easy. One of the simplest methods is to visit Facebook and search for groups related to music. Engage with people in these groups and share your link. That's it! If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!